friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy if you don't know me, and today's look is pink. I'm gonna do a little series for the holidays of monochromatic makeup looks. Today's obviously is pink, I already said that. A couple of things I want to tell you guys before we get started. My next collab with Fairless is coming soon. I know I've been quiet on social media and YouTube, but that's because Luke and I have been working on something behind the scenes, and I cannot wait to show you guys what we're up to. Shout out to Emily Snips for taking me back to my natural color. What do you guys think? I feel pretty cute. If you guys want to see how I made this extra pink look, then keep watching. If you're wondering about any of the products that I use throughout the tutorial, they will all be listed below. Face is washed, hands are washed. Maybelline Meg Serum is on. I put it on in the bathroom now because that's where I wash my face, and I like to get it in there right away. I'm gonna mix these two together. It's the perfect combination. This is the Rich Bitch Moisturizer, and this is the Lil Prick Cactus Seed Dry Serum, both from Freck. Got my moisturizer here, and I'm just gonna put in a couple drops of the oil and mix them together for the ultimate moisture for my very dry, crispy face. I'm gonna put a little bit extra on my forehead because it's a hot mess always. It looks like I've been choked, but it's actually just from a choker that I twisted around so the clasp was at the back and then decided I didn't want to wear it anyway. I'm going to put on my Bite Beauty Agave lip mask so my lips get hydrated while I do my face. Today I'm going to prime with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, warming it up a little bit and then applying it first to the center of my face and tapping it in. For foundation, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. I really like this foundation. The only issue that I had was at the end of the day, I was really oily. So I'm going to try it today with this primer because it's oil-free. The Optical Illusion Primer has an argan oil in it. This is in the shade Porcelain, and I'm just going to blend it out with a brush from BH Cosmetics. I don't know what kind of brush it is. It doesn't have a number on it, but it looked like it would work. So we're gonna go with that. It's just enough coverage to go in with a heavier concealer. To conceal, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C2. Putting it under my eyes and in any areas that need a little bit extra coverage. And I'm just using the same brush to blend it out. I'm not gonna put it on my eyelids because I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer today, which I don't usually do. I'm gonna contour with my Anastasia contour stick in the shade Fawn. I'm not gonna bother with my forehead because it's so dry and it doesn't need any more blending. And again, just using the same brush because I hate washing my brushes. So why not just try and make only one dirty? Now I'm gonna do my nose just by picking up some of the product with an angled eyeshadow brush and shading down the sides all the way up to the front of my eyebrow, making sure it's super blended, and then bringing it across here a little bit. And then to make the nose contour really extra, I'm using a white concealer. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. I'm just gonna add the tiniest amount down the center and on the tip, and then blend it out with my finger for a little extra highlight. I think it looks so cute. I tried this Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Lace in my last video, and it looked really dark, but a couple of you commented that it actually works really well for baking on pale skin and to give it another try. So I'm gonna give it another try. I'm gonna use the Sigma Tapered Kabuki. I'm just going to press it in under my eyes. That looks pretty dark. I trusted you guys. Just kidding, not jumping to any conclusions. We'll see what it looks like when I dust it away. It's very yellow. This brush is so good for baking. It's the perfect shape to get under the eyes. It's perfect for sharpening contour. You can get in all the little nooks and crannies, and you can be really precise too. This does not look very bright. It doesn't look bad though. I'm not mad. There's not really anything to dust away. My skin pretty much absorbed that powder. The finish is really nice. I am going to put some on my neck just so it matches the rest of my face. I do wish it was a little bit brighter, but it looks pretty flawless. If this sets my makeup and wears well, I will definitely continue to use this powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer just to set and deepen my contour. I've got this cute little mini palette called the Midi Palette in Toasted Cashmere from Ofra. It's got a highlighter, a bronzer, and a blush, and it's so freaking cute. Perfect for traveling. It's small, it's compact, and it has everything. A little bit here, a little bit here. I put powder on top of my really bright nose highlight and it stayed really bright. So next time I do my makeup, I'm gonna use a lighter concealer under my eyes and set with that powder and see if it's brighter. She's smart. Now it's time for eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil in Taupe. These are so good. Just brush them up so I can see where they need a little extra fluff. Just want fluffy brows today. Not gonna use too much product. Just blend that through a little bit. See how it looks. Fill in any holes. And then I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel in Dutch for extra fluff. Always wipe off the excess product and always start on the center and end of your brow so you don't get gloopy. Just gluing them right up. Delicious. Now I'm gonna start on my eyes. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty, what are you called? Amplifying Eye Primer. Gonna throw a little bit on there and spread her out with a brush. We're gonna play with the Zodiac Love Signs palette from BH Cosmetics. I love the idea of this palette. It's got all of the shimmers with their corresponding shade in a matte color and then a highlight color in the center. I'm gonna go in first to the white. This is Scorpio. It's actually a little bit pink. I'm just gonna cover my entire lid as a base. Pigmented as shit. Is it the shadow or is it the primer? We'll never know. Actually, we could definitely find out. Now I'm gonna grab the shimmer shade in the Scorpio section and I'm gonna put it all over. Even though they say that shimmer has no place in the crease, it should stay on the lid. We are breaking the non-existent makeup rules. So shimmery and lovely. Now I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick. This is Ofra Santa Monica. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. And with a little brush, I'm gonna use it to line my eyes. Making a big wing, of course. And then I'm gonna press the matte shade Aries on top. I don't think this would transfer because it does dry down quite transfer proof on the lips, but just in case. This is also gonna be the shade that we put on the lower lid. Just attaching that to the wing. I'm gonna add a little glitter to the lid. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners. This is Grind and this is Pyro. I'm just gonna put the glitter on the lid and a little bit up into the crease. Let that dry a little bit and then add some more. And then let it dry. For lashes, I'm gonna use the Boldface Makeup Mega Babe lashes and I'm gonna chop them up. And I'll apply them one by one, a little bit spaced out, just for a different look. This lash style definitely isn't for everyone. It's pretty crazy, but it is one of my favorite ways to wear lashes. For the waterline, I'm going to use a lip liner because I couldn't find a pink eyeliner. This is Jilted from Urban Decay. I don't know if this is eye safe, so please don't hold me responsible if you put this in your eye and it goes badly, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. And usually I assume that if it's safe for my mouth, probably safe for my eyes. Don't know if that's a fair assumption. I'm gonna wait until the lashes are for sure super glued down before I put on mascara so we can finish the rest of the face in the meantime. To highlight, I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Holographic Quad in Space Jam, and I'm gonna mix the white with the pink. So it's poppin', but a little pink, but not too pink. I'm not super crazy about really colored highlights. Ooh, just highlighting all the important places. Got a little highlighter mustache going on. Got highlight. For my nose highlight, I'm only gonna use the white shade because I especially don't like colored highlights on my nose. I forgot how much I love this highlight. Also gonna get that in the inner corner. My God. Whew. Why do shiny things make us so happy? And now blush. I have been looking forward to this all morning. I'm gonna use the Obsession Pinky Promise blush palette. And I know I'm extra with blush every time I do a makeup look, but this is a pink look, so I can be even more extra. I'm gonna use Whisper. We're gonna put it here. And we're gonna put it here. And we're gonna put it here. And here. a little bit here, maybe here, and a little bit here, and a little bit more here, maybe some here. Nope, not there. Do not like forehead blush. A little bit is okay. Now I'm gonna use my Flower Beauty Warrior mascara, and I'm gonna give you guys an update because I said that I would in the last video. This did not transfer on my bottom lashes, like at all. I'm so excited because I can never find a mascara that I can wear on my bottom lashes. And now I have, and it's not available in the country that I live in. It's such a nice mascara too. The formula, the wand, Drew Barrymore, super happy with it. Is it kind of a secret gem, or have I just not heard anyone talk about it? So good. It's also cruelty free and super inexpensive. I'm gonna add some freckles. They're not gonna be pink because I don't think that would look cute. It might look cute, but it's not for me. Just using a bronzer and a little tiny brush. I'm gonna keep them mostly on my nose today. And these do actually stay on quite well with a spritz of setting spray. This is the BH Cosmetics bronzer in Bronze Babe. It's a little bit too dark and too warm for me to use as a contour shade. Lovely bronzer in the summer when I'm a little bit more tanned. But it's a really nice shade for freckles. Sunburn chic. Oh, I love this look. It's been a while since I did something extra. I'm gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Cherry Scented. Smells so good. I forgot there was pink lipstick all over my hand and I made a mess. The lips are gonna be pink, but I'm gonna do a more muted pink just so it's not like so pink that it's unwearable, because this is a very wearable look. I'm gonna use Uncuffed Stunna Lip Paint from Fenty Beauty. These have the best applicators. That's not really pink at all, is it? This is the only way I can wear liquid lipstick, is by putting on a tiny bit and just spreading it around with my finger, because if it's too much, it's so dry. And I also like the way it looks with a bit of a softer blurred lip line. I'm just gonna take some of the lipstick on the back of my hand and blot it on the center. That's pretty. I was gonna add gloss on top, but I think I like it matte. I'm gonna go wash this off. We're pink. Definitely not your typical holiday Christmas party look, but who wants to be typical anyways? And technically, I know Christmas colors are red and green, but this is red, just with a little bit of white. It's a Christmas color. What color do you guys want next? Let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.